All right, Melba. Okay, good morning. Right, so we've just finished leg day. Well, not leg day, we've just finished a leg session. So what we're going to do now is a small challenge that has been given by my little big cousin, Augie. Here he is. Right, he's set myself a challenge. So it's basically 5 minutes of air squats. This is exactly what the workout looks like. It's very nice and simple, but today I'm going to have some added difficulty. I'm going to put a weight vest on. My weight vest weighs 20 pounds, so I'm going to put that on and just basically perform this. I of course have my partner in crime. Come here. All right, it's just too short for the camera, so here we go. Wait, say hello.
Hello.
Right, we're just going to get on with it, so see you guys on the other side.
A few moments later.
Seconds of squats coming up. 2, 1, let's go. Faster this time. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 1. Let's go. 45 seconds. Two more minutes, Melba. Right, so we've got 15 seconds rest. Come on. And then we've got 30 seconds of squatting. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Come on. You okay? So I'm sweating? I don't know. Why am I sweating? Huh? You should be sweating. Alright. Come on, 10 seconds. Ready? Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Push. Oh, well done. High five. Push. Good job. Okay. Well done, Mama. Okay, so that's that one done. It was only 5 minutes. It's very, very simple. It wasn't really strenuous. But the whole idea there was you can use that as a warm-up or a leg finisher. I've used it as a leg finisher because that was the assignment. And as you could see, my little sidekick came out to play today. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. As always, keep following the channel. Share this video wide. And I'll see you guys on the other side. Okay?